It's always good to have it, and it's very sad when you have none. Money has always been one of the most important things in the life of every person. The question is, how can you get at least any? Well, the answer is obvious. You should earn it. For example, you can get a part-time job as a shop assistant or help your mom doing household chores. You can also try to save up your pocket money. Money is something that is needed by everybody, from a child to a very old person. We all are in need of money. Some people say that money is the root of all evil. Others claim that money is only a necessity. Let's have a look at some words and phrases that can help us to talk about such topic. Borrow money. Заимствовать деньги. Keen fan. Преданный фанат. Pocket money. Карманные деньги. Earn. Зарабатывать. To be fair. Быть справедливым. Wages. Зарплата. Consumers. Потребители. Retailer. Магазин розничной торговли. Billion. Миллиард. Bestseller. Бестселлер. Afford. Позволять. Amount. Количество. Bill. Счет. Console. Игровая консоль. Deliver. Доставлять. Fare. Плата. Guess. Догадываться. Grades. Оценки. Household chores. Домашние обязанности. Involve. Вовлекать. Lazy. Ленивый. Lend. Одалживать. Massive. Огромный, солидный. Odd. Нерегулярный, разовый, странный. Overtake. Перегонять. Pay. Платить. Resist. Противостоять. Sales assistant. Продавец-консультант. Saver. Бережливый человек. Spender. Расточитель, транжира. Shopping spree. Поход по магазинам. Student loan. Студенческий заем. Survive. Выживать. Buy check. Платить чеком. Buy credit card. Платить кредитной картой. In cash. Платить наличными. Make ends meet. Сводить концы с концами. Dig deep in one's pocket. Тратить больше.